Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing acrylic nails, but really you're just watching me because I wanted to show off my new hobby. I have always had a love for acrylic nails, just being artistic altogether. I've always wanted to do my own nails only because I know I'm not the only one, but I've gotten my nails done before and it just never comes out the way I want it. But I also love the luxury of being able to change it up whenever I want and to just explore. So back in, what was it, the end of November, I actually took a 101 acrylic nail class with a nail tech, and I've been doing some practicing. So this is my third time doing my own nails, so I thought that it was time to actually be able to, film it and show you how far I've come. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below if you haven't already. Let me know if you like these type of videos because they will be coming. Also, all the information on what I used in this video will be in the description below if you are a nail person and want to do your own nails, or if there are any nail techs who are watching this video, I would love some tips and tricks, or just let me know how I did. I hope y'all enjoy, and let's get right into this video. So I've become a not polished fan so far. I'm still, of course, testing out different acrylics, but I really like this one because, of course, it's sparkly and I love anything that sparkles. But I'm actually mixing just pink glitter with that acrylic. That way we actually have a pink sparkly look. Right now, I'm just testing it to see how it would look. So I highly recommend that you do that before you just mix up the colors and it don't come out, the way you want it. So I just kind of eyeballed, almost did like a little half and half, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough of the actual acrylic, because if you have more glitter than acrylic, then it's not going to stick. All right, we're gonna apply the cuticle oil, and here is the finishing look. Y'all, I was really happy with the way these turned out. This is my third time and it's getting better and better, okay? I will say that I actually did wind up filing them down just a little bit. I didn't like how long they were for this specific look, so I did take them down just a smidge. But overall, I love them. I hope you babes enjoy. Comment below how you like them, how you think I did, and I will see you in my next video.